In this video, let us look at how we usually find the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So let us take an example. Let us take A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 2. Let us take this matrix. So let us say that you are asked to find the determinant of A. So we don't usually find the minors matrix and the cofactors matrix and then multiply any row with the corresponding row of the cofactors matrix. That will be a time-taking process. Now the question is, how do we directly find the determinant of this matrix A? So we usually follow the process similar to the process we used in finding the cross product in physics. So in the starting, you would have understood how to find cross product of two vectors. So we usually follow the same process. It is the determinant of this matrix is 1 times this into this minus this into this. 3 into 2 minus 1 into 1. That is 6 minus 1. And with the second number, you have to use a minus extra sign. So alternate plus minus signs. So minus of 2 times this into this minus this into this. So when you use this 2, you need to remove this corresponding column. So the remaining is 1 into 2 minus 4 into 1. So 1 2s are 2 minus 4 1s are 4. Next you have plus last number times this 2 times. So you remove this row and this column correspond to this. So you have this submatrix. So 1 into 1 minus 4 into 3. That is 1 minus 12. So that is equal to 6 minus 1 is 5. Minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. 1 minus 12 is minus 11. Minus 11 into 2 is minus 22. So minus 22 plus 9 is minus 13. So this is the determinant of this matrix. So you can also expand this determinant with respect to the second row also. So if you try to use the second row elements, you have to start with a minus, plus and minus. Because you already used plus, minus, plus for this. So here you have minus, plus, minus. Alternate plus minus signs. So minus 1 times, you remove the corresponding row and the column. 2 into 2 minus 2, that is 4 minus 2. Plus 3 times, 1 into 2 minus 4 into 2, is 2 minus 8. Minus plus minus 1 times minus last number times 1 into 1 minus 4 into 2, 1 minus 8. 3 times 2 minus 8, 1 times 1 minus 8. That is equal to minus of 2 plus 3 times minus 6, that is minus 18. And minus 1 times minus 7 is plus 7. Again, it turned out to be minus 13. So you can expand the determinant with respect to any row or any column. If you observe closely, we are effectively doing the same thing as we have done after finding the cofactors. So if you use the third row, the signs are again plus, minus, plus. So 4 times you remove the corresponding row and the corresponding column. 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2. That is 2 minus 6. Minus 1 times 1 into 1 minus 1 into 2. That is 1 minus 2. Plus 2 times 3 minus 2. That is equal to 4 into minus 4 is minus 16. Minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Plus 2, which is equal to minus 13. So you always get the same number, whichever row you use. But corresponding to the row, you have corresponding signs which you need to use. Now you can expand the determinant with respect to columns also. If you use the first column, use plus minus plus. If you use the second column, use minus plus minus. Third column, plus minus plus. So this is a shortcut to find the determinant of the matrix. So this is what we usually do to find the determinant of a general matrix. There is another shortcut which is called the Saras rule. So using this rule also you can find the determinant. So here what you do is you write the numbers 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 2. Column 1, column 2, column 3. Again write column 1 and column 2. So C1, C2, C3, again C1 and C2. So now once you write this, what you do is you draw arrows like this. So first draw the downward arrows, starting with the first element. So you get 3 arrows. So multiply the numbers that you have along the arrows and add them. So 1 into 3 into 2 is 6, plus 2 into 1 into 4 is 8, 2 into 1 into 1 is 2. So you draw the arrows and multiply the numbers that you have along these arrows and add them. Now you draw upward arrows like this. Again you get 3 arrows. Again multiply them and this time subtract those numbers. So 4 into 3 into 2, 4 3s are 12, into 2 is 24. So you subtract the values. 1 into 1 into 1 minus 1. 2 into 1 into 2 is minus 4. So try to get this number. This number will be the required determinant. So 16 minus 24, 25, 29. 16 minus 29 is again minus 13. So this shortcut is called the Saras rule for finding the determinant of the matrix. So you can use whatever method you're comfortable with, and these two methods give you determinant very easily. So let us take another example. So let us take a matrix A as 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 5, 1, 2, 1. So you're asked to find the determinant of this matrix. So what I do is I usually use the first row. So 1 times 1 minus 10 is minus 9. Minus 1 times 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Plus 3 times 2 into 2, 4 minus 1 is plus 3. So minus 9 plus 9 gets cancelled. So the determinant is 3 using the first method. So if you want to use the Saras rule, so what you need is you write C1, C2 again. So 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. You write this again. Take the downward arrows. So 1 plus 1 into 5 into 1 is 5. Plus 3 into 2 into 2 is 12. Minus of upward arrows. 1 into 1 into 3 is 3. 2 into 5 into 1 is 10. 1 into 2 into 1 is minus 2. So minus 10 minus 2 plus 12 gets cancelled. 6 minus 3 is again equal to 3. You can see that you're getting the same answers. So I hope you understand how to find the determinant of a given matrix if you have numbers. So you can directly expand the determinant with respect to any row or any column, or you can use the Saras rule for this. Thank you.